I'm measuring from this top seam where the gusset meets the inside back, and I've got a length of 27 inches. The width I want to measure at the widest point. On this chair, it's the shoulders where the arms meet the inside back. So from seam to seam, that's 27 inches too, kind of a square chair here. And now the inside arm goes from where the arm meets the deck to where the arm scrolls around to this corner of the scroll. So my length on that, here I've got about 22 inches. And I want to measure it from the back too to see if I need more length in the back of the chair, which often I do if the cushion is kind of angled down. So in fact, I do. So my length measurement, I'm going to cross out that 22 and I'm going to put 24 because I want to make sure I have enough fabric. That's the length. Now the width of the inside arm is going to measure all the way from the scroll to the back of the chair. So it goes around to the very back of the chair, and I've got 27 inches on that. Then it comes to the outside arm, and for this, our length, you could find a different length from front to back, so I'm going to measure both places. Here on this chair, I've got 10 inches in the front, and I've got 10 inches in the back. That's my length then. And my width goes again from the very front of the chair to the very back of the chair, 26, okay? Then this front of the arm, the scroll, I'm going to get a rough measurement on that so I know how big to cut my pattern paper when it's time to cut out a pattern for this. So here I've got roughly 16 by 6. Now we've got these parts measured. We need to do the gusset. So here we've got the whole top of the chair, and I know that this one is 28 inches wide. So that is the width one, which is your second number on your top gusset. Then the length of the top gusset is 4 inches on this chair. Yours might be different. And then the side gusset, I've got a length of 12 inches and a width of 4 inches. Our outside back is measured at the widest point. So this I've already measured. It's the longest by the widest, 28 inches square on this chair. So yours might be different. And the last part we have to measure is the deck. That's what the cushion sits on. So I'm going from where the deck meets the inside back all the way to the bottom of the chair. I can feel it there. I've got 23.5 inches for that measurement.